Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you this Halloween inspired makeup look as Halloween is celebrated in the month of October. So I thought of creating this look. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we will start with eyes. As you know, I start all sort of dramatic makeup from eyes only. I will be using sea green color and warm purple eyeshadow for my eyebrows as I've got warm tone. I'll be filling it like any other eyebrow powder. I have tried to make this look super simple for all of you. Since it's going to be a dramatic look, we'll be using all products in generous amount. Then for my eye area, I'll be applying concealer, for which I'm using my NYX concealer. I'll apply it all over my eye area in a very generous amount. Then I'll be blending it with the help of Damn Beauty Blender. Now I'll be taking the same sea green color eyeshadow and I'll apply it all over my crease area. After this, I'll take a little darker shade to increase the depth. Then the same process will be done with the right eyes with the help of purple color. Now I'll be taking the darkest brown shade from Sirvana eyeshadow palette and will apply it on my upper lash line like a kajal. I'll extend it like a wing and then I'll merge it into my crease area. All this has been done to create depth and Halloween effect. I will apply eyeshadow on my lower lash line as well, as it will help in making my eyes look bigger. Now I have dusted off all the fallouts and I'm applying more concealer to get more finished look. I'm also applying lighter skin shade eyeshadow on my lid area. Then I'll apply loose glitter particles on my brow bones to give it a highlighted effect. Now let's move on to face makeup, for which I am using Color Bar foundation. I will apply it all over my face and neck area and I'll blend it with the help of Damn Beauty blender. Now to give my face some edgy and sculpted effect, I'll do contouring, for which I am using brown lipstick, as I did not have dark creamy contour color. You can also use brown lipstick as an alternative for contour stick. And now with the help of Damn Beauty blender, blend everything into your skin. Now I'll highlight my face with the help of highlighting concealer and blend it into my skin with the help of Damn Beauty blender.
Je serai là toujours pour toi. Love is intense. Quand je te vois, mon cœur bat. Love is intense. Je serai là toujours pour toi. Love is intense. Quand je te vois, mon cœur bat. Love is intense. Je serai là toujours pour toi. Love is intense. Quand je te vois, mon cœur bat.
Now with the help of loose pigment, I'll highlight my cheekbone area. Now I'll start painting my face, and here I'm using my sketch eyeliner to draw my lips, and I'll use the same eyeliner to draw my eyes as well. Well, it was extremely difficult to draw in front of camera because one hand was engaged in keeping the mirror and other was engaged in drawing. So it was quite difficult for me. Now I'm completing my look by applying some mascara, and in the complete look I've applied lashes as well. And here is the complete look. Let me know how you found this look by commenting down below, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel for more such beauty and makeup related videos. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.